Let's look at this question now. In a typing competition, if a person types as 120 words per minute, he can finish typing the complete passage given in a time, which is 1 minute 30 seconds more than the stipulated time. However, if he types at 150 words per minute, he finishes typing the complete passage 1 minute before the stipulated time. What is the stipulated time for the competition? Okay, so I'm assuming if he the speed at which he types is 120, then the time taken would be stipulated time t plus 1 minute 30 second or 1.5 minutes more. Now, if the speed of typing is 150 words per minute, time taken is stipulated time minus 1 minute because he's he completes the passage in 1 minute before the stipulated time. So this is the stipulated the required time. Now in both these cases, the words, the length of words or the complete number of words in both these scenarios would be same, because in both these situations the work done is same, that is typing of a passage. So this passage would consist of how many words? So total words would be 120 words per minute, and in how many minutes it is done? T plus 1.5. So it must be equal to 150 into t minus 1. So that would be equal to, I can cancel them. This cancel 3, 4 times 3, 5 times. So 4t, 5t. 4t plus 6 is equal to 5t minus 5. So t would be equal to 6 and 5, 11. So this was the stipulated time and it comes out to be 11 minutes. So correct answer is option C.